doing a flapping bird. Take a material, scale and A4 sheet. First fold like this and back, see, and back fold like this, and take a scale, cut it. I tear it and fold like this. And back and see, and take back, fold like this. Now see. And open, do like this again. Say fold and do like this, see, neatly. See? Do like this. See, it will come same this only. And fold here, see, can see, no? Fold here like this. Say fold and do back also and here also. I folded and do like this, see, open here and do like this, see, neat level. Do now, open this, see, and fold like this neatly. See, like this, and undo here also. Same technique only. Do fast. So I folded and do like this in back also. Open here, do like this and fold. I folded, see, back and front. And see, open this one, open like this and do this one neatly, you see. As I done here, and do same and here also. Open, I fold, I close, and take this one, do like this. See, I done, and do also same. Open and do like that, same neatly. I do same that here and here also. And see, neatly will do like this and close it neatly. See, and open like this neatly. See, twine, 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 twine. And see, open like this. And we are also open same. See, like this. It's ready! Ha ha ha! Twine, 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 twine. Take this also. Twine, 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 twine. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you in next video.